swinger, the grip has to be in such a way that the shiny side of the ball will have to be on right side and rough side of the ball has to be on left side with the direction of position of the seam facing the slip region.
In this video, you can see very clearly the heavier side or shiny side of the ball is on right side facing towards the batsman. On the other hand, the lighter part or you can say the rougher part of the ball is on left side facing towards the extra cover region.
Now try to project or push the ball towards outside the off stumps such that the direction of position of seam should face the slip region.
But magically it just reverses or moves oppositely in the air into the right-handed batsman.
So when you are trying to push the ball away from the batsman, it moves magically into the batsman. When the shiny side of the ball is faced towards the batsman. Well, the reason behind this is when it moves fastly in the air, what happens is the air travels, the coming air travels more fastly, or the amount of air travels more on the lighter part of the ball, which means on the left side, which makes the ball to push in opposite direction, which is the heavier side. Okay, this is the reason why the ball reverses, or you can say why the ball is pushed in opposite direction.
Therefore, since the right side of the ball is heavier and left side of the ball is lighter, obviously the large amount of air will travel towards the lighter side, which actually pushes the heavier side, or in fact you can say pushes the shiny side of the ball in opposite or reverse direction, moving in the air into the batsman.
So at the end of the day, what happens is the air clearly pushes, the amount of air travels more towards the lighter part of the ball. In fact, the lesser weight, it travels towards the lighter part of the ball and pushes the heavier part in opposite direction.